Life is shaped by our choices, and the choices we make are perpetuated with consequences. So, if you make sensible choices, you will gain a positive effect. On the other hand, if you make poor decisions, you will have a bad effect. I am MJ Esme Gabon, a BS Ed major in science student, and I will be explaining to you what this poster is all about. To start, let us describe globalization first. The globe and the shaking of hands represents globalization as the process of increasing the global integration of production, development, and communication among nations. But as I've mentioned, everything has advantages and disadvantages. Let's have first the advantages of globalization. The potion and the computer represents the spread of innovation and technology. The building represents infrastructure development. The satellite dish and the tower represents improve and access to global communication. And lastly, the tree represents exchange of outlandish ideas such as reforestation as a means of combating global climate change. The disadvantages of globalization. Concerns about the environment. The cutting down of trees represents deforestation and biodiversity loss. The building that produces smoke represents greenhouse gas emissions and other types of pollution. The excavator represents the conversion of agricultural areas to infrastructure. And finally, the countries that are being colored with red and surrounded with black shade is the representation of what we acquire this worldwide sickness, COVID-19, as a result of our borderless society. We're still in the midst of a worldwide pandemic, but I don't blame it entirely in globalization. Rather, it's due to our ignorance and apathy about why things are becoming worse. We cannot overlook the fact that globalization has improved our lives by making all tasks easier and faster. It is up to us how we will use and be impacted by those resources. To reiterate, as Miss Universe 2018 Catriona said, everything is good, but in moderation. That would be all, and thank you.